Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will give you a market update. What is going on in the world of cryptocurrencies, and especially of course we will have a look at Bitcoin, because as you know, Bitcoin shows you the direction. If Bitcoin goes up, usually all the other coins also go up, and guess it, if Bitcoin goes down, all the other coins usually also go down. Okay, so guys, of course if you want to trade and make a nice income then of course you can use my links in the description. With my links you will always get the highest available bonus. Okay, so if you don't have an account, for example on Phemex or Bybit, I use those two, check the links in the description. You will always get the highest available bonuses. Okay, so as of right now guys, you can see on the 4-hour time frame we are in this ascending channel, and this channel actually started like I would say 17th of July. And as you can see, all the time we are moving within this channel. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the RSI. It's almost on top, I would say. So we could maybe see a small correction, and also because as you can see, we will soon reach this price level here of the resistance line at about $25,000, because right now we have a price of 24,844. Okay. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame, and as you can see, we have right now this ascending channel, and usually an ascending channel, it is more likely to break to the downside. So what we see right now, we almost reached this resistance line, and we could break through the line, or the other scenario would be that we move up like this and maybe see a small correction down here, because as you can see, here is already the next line of support. Then down here we have another line of support, 22,500 about. And in the worst case, let's say really the worst case, it could happen that, but there are so many support lines, we could go down and test this support line at about $21,300. But as you can see, there are a lot of support lines until we could go down there. So if you are not in a trade right now, I would just stay on the sideline and watch what happens, because if we go up here and then we see a rejection, then we could potentially open a short position. Price target would be about the $24,000. Yes, but let's see. Right now we just have to see what happens if we reach this the upper line of the channel. Okay, so guys, let's check out Ethereum, because Ethereum is very bullish right now. As you can see, yesterday the price was about $1,700, and right now we have $1,919. Okay, so a price increase of about $200 within 1 day. And as you can see down here, we have a support line at 1,815. And the next resistance is actually up at about $2,000. So as you can see on the hourly, the RSI looks pretty bullish. So we have potential to go higher, and also the next resistance is also just up here at $2,000. So this means, if you are not in a trade right now, I would not jump in a trade, because the scenario could, we are not so far away from the next resistance. It's just an $80 move. So right now I would also stay on the sideline, and as always guys, we don't try to do any crazy stuff. We try to react what the market does and make money then. Okay, so right now if you're not in a trade, just stay on the sideline and wait, and if you reach this level, we will see if you can break through it, or maybe we have the potential to make a short position. We could have a move then down like this, for example, to the $1,815 price level. Okay, so that's what's going on right now guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.